Good morning and welcome to Moneyline Tips. I want to say congratulations to everyone that won yesterday, and then we have 10 odds for you today. So let's get started. The first game we have here is in Luxemburg, where UN KGN 97 is taking on Racing Union Luxembourg, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have here is still in Luxembourg, where F91 the Lenga is taking on Progress. The my prediction is over 1.5 goals. We move on to Hungary, again between Pukas Academia taking on the Brenchina. My prediction is over 1.5 goals. We move on to Finland, where Japo is taking on Kappa. My prediction here is over 1.5 goals. If you have not liked this video to this moment, kindly hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And also share with us where you're watching us from in the comment section. I always mention that you should follow or subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any of our predictions. Yesterday we dropped 2 tickets, and one of the tickets came in same as a day before yesterday. So it's been a back-to-back winning on our platform here. So don't miss any of our predictions. So follow this channel so you won't miss any of those games. Moving on, we have a game here in the Georgia Lake, a game between Samgurari taking on FC Samtradia, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. We move on to Czech Republic, a game between FK Motorlet Plug taking on FK Klalov, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Still in Czech Republic, we have a game between Victoria Prison taking on Banek Ostrava over 1.5 goals. Same Czech Republic, we have a game between FC Slavako taking on Slavia, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. We move on to Belgium, where Standard Liège is taking on Gent, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. To Kazakhstan, we have a game between Sabah taking on Neftchi Baku over 1.5 goals. Still in Kazakhstan, we have a game between Kapas taking on Zira. My prediction is over 1.5 goals. Then the last game we have is in Austria, where Blue Wales is taking on FK Austria UN, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. That gives us a total of 12 matches, 10 odds. And for those people that like big or long ticket and that is not available today, I provide games that I know that will win for you. So bet this game, and also remember to bet responsibly. Do not forget to like this video and share it with your friends. And this is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. If you want to join our VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Please and please, my WhatsApp is a paid service. It's not free. There is no pay after. Don't come and ask for pay after. And also the subscription fee is affordable for everyone to afford. So chat me up on WhatsApp if you are interested. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys after the match.